Have you ever wondered about the future of communication? What could be beyond the speed of our current networks? Today, we connect from cozy libraries to remote Antarctic outposts, thanks to wireless communication. Yet, the speed of our current networks is not the end of the line. Imagine a world where instant communication powers virtual reality experiences or enables surgeons to control robots from miles away. The future is already being shaped by researchers looking beyond the fifth generation of wireless technology, setting their sights on the promise of 6G networks. But what exactly is 6G, and why is it such a challenge to achieve ultra-high data speeds? Well, 6G, or sixth generation wireless, is the future of communication. It's the key to unlocking virtual reality experiences, robotic surgeries from afar, and so much more. But to make these dreams a reality, we need wireless channels that can handle an incredible amount of data at record speeds. The challenge, though, lies in system noise. The higher the frequency, the more noise there is. This noise can disrupt multi-level signal modulation, a method used to cram large volumes of data into high frequencies quickly. Enter a team of researchers from Osaka University and IMRA, America. They found a solution to this noise problem by harnessing the power of lasers. By using a photonic device-based signal generator, they've managed to reduce system noise and enhance data transmission speeds. Harnessing the power of lasers, these researchers have shattered records in data transmission speeds. So how did these researchers achieve this breakthrough, and what does it mean for the future of communication? The answer lies in a marvel of modern technology known as a stimulated Brillouin scattering laser. This isn't your everyday laser. It's a precision tool that exploits the interactions between sound and light waves to generate a signal of unparalleled accuracy. The team of researchers, led by Keisuke Maekawa, implemented this laser-based signal generator in both the transmitter and receiver of a 300 GHz band wireless communication system. The result? A single-channel transmission rate of a staggering 240 gigabits per second. That's not merely impressive, it's the highest transmission rate ever recorded globally using online digital signal processing. So what does this mean for 6G networks and the future of communication? It's a game changer. The researchers envision that, with the application of multiplexing techniques and the development of more sensitive receivers, the data rate could skyrocket to 1 terabit per second. That's right, a terabit. This level of speed and efficiency would usher in a new era of almost instantaneous global communication, transforming the way we connect, interact, and share information. This breakthrough marks a significant leap toward realizing 300 GHz band wireless communication, potentially transforming how we connect and interact globally. The future of communication is indeed exciting, thanks to the potential of 6G networks.